A gurgling toilet can be a frustrating issue, especially when it occurs in conjunction with the draining of a washing machine. One common cause of this gurgling noise is a blockage in the vent pipes, which are connected to the plumbing system and typically extend through the roof to allow for air circulation. When a blockage occurs in these pipes, it hinders proper drainage and leads to air escaping through the toilet drain, resulting in the gurgling sound. To fix this issue, it is necessary to locate the vent pipes and inspect them for any visible obstructions, such as debris, leaves, or animal nests, that may be impeding airflow. A plumbing snake or auger can be carefully inserted into the vent pipe to dislodge and remove any blockages, and the pipe can then be flushed with water from a hose to ensure that any remaining debris is cleared. After clearing the vent pipe, it is a good idea to run water through various fixtures in the home, including sinks and showers, to verify that the gurgling noise has ceased and that drainage is functioning correctly. Another potential cause of gurgling toilets is a partial clog in the main drain, which can occur after the washing machine's filling cycle. To fix this issue, a plunger can be used to create suction and dislodge the clog, or a mixture of baking soda and vinegar can be added to the toilet and allowed to react before flushing. Alternatively, dish soap can be replaced with bleach in the toilet, followed by powdered soap after a few minutes, and then flushed to clear a stubborn clog. By following these steps, it is possible to identify and fix the cause of a gurgling toilet, ensuring that the drainage system is functioning properly.